what exactly is coaching, and also what is coaching not?
So, coaching essentially is a collaboration between the client and the coach. It's a partnership between them, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it is squarely
Mm-hmm.
focused on the client's goals, whether they are personal or professional. The beauty about
Mm-hmm.
coaching is it is a process of self discovery and self awareness through questions that the coach asks. And these questions need to be timely, they need to be insightful and powerful. And that comes through a process of being actively listening to what the client has to say. And this is the key for me because the entire process of coaching starts with that bit of number one, obviously, the client wanting to strengthen something, overcome some aspect of their life, or move to the next level. And the
Mm-hmm.
foundation of that is self awareness. Okay, once they reach or elicit that self awareness is when we move on to the next stages of creating goals, figuring out what the obstacles are, working on strategies to overcome those obstacles, and also have personal accountability from the client's side. Another beauty about coaching is it is completely client driven. The client is in the driver's seat. We are there along with the client as a coach to be, what do you say, like a GPS, so to speak, right? We are helping them reach that destination that they are looking to reach. And obviously through that you have different routes. You may not have that same, again going with the analogy because I started the GPS thing, you may not have this
Yeah.
direct route, right? You're going through different gullies or small little areas that may not actually go directly to that end goal. So that is what coaching is all about. And what it is not is the coach will not tell you what to do, they will not advise you, they will not lead you. It is, they are here to
Okay.
enable you to discover your own answers, create your own strategies, and help you stay on track. How it is distinct, it is also distinct from therapy, from consulting, from mentoring. Although they do share a few similarities between each of them, ultimately it's about enabling the client to find solutions that will help them reach their full potential.
What I'm hearing is, and it's interesting that we have the answers ourselves, right? It's like we know it. We are probably too caught up in our heads, so we don't know, right? We have that jumbling of wires in our heads, and the coach is there to sort of streamline it, help you, and yeah, lovely analogy, right? You're in the GPS, you're in the gullies, and gets you on the highway, right? Is that a correct sort of understanding?
Absolutely. Wherever you want to reach it, we follow the path that you want to take.